Whooping cough. This is called pertussis or 100-day cough. After severe coughing, when the patient breathed in, there is high-pitched whooping sound or gasp may occur. That's why this is called whooping cough. Causes. It is very contagious disease caused by the type of bacteria called Bordetella pertussis. These bacteria attach to the cilia of respiratory tract where they release a toxin which damages the cilia and cause the airway to swell. Symptoms. Fits of many rapid cough may occur followed by the whooping sound, vomiting during or after the cough, and child feel very tired after the cough fits. Treatment. First, isolate the patient so that cough may not spread to the other children. Use erythromycin 10 mg per kg per day for 14 days, or azithromycin 10 mg per kg per day for 5 days, or clarithromycin 10 mg per kg per day for 15 days. Use any one of the three, but not use all the three at the same time. All the three are equally useful if they are used.